we have this lovely patient here that has lifting of the nail plate from the nail bed and damage of the nail plate. So the nail plate is slightly thick and raised. We've got some kind of discoloration underneath. That is a possibility that there's an infection, so we're going to test that with an instant fungus test. So you can see and put this probe underneath there. You see it can go all the way down actually, like that, yeah. So there's lifting from, well quite a bit, isn't it? Lifting of the nail plate. You've got damage, so you can see that the nail root or the nail matrix is getting irritated, so you get layers of the nail itself. So it's really easy to remove, to be honest. What you want to do is loosen the roots up like this. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And you don't want to cause too much trauma, because trauma can increase the risk of deformity of the nail. So what I'm going to do is loosen that up and pull it off. And you have this lovely popping noise. If you guys heard that, everything comes off very, very easily. Just like that. How are you feeling? She said she's good. Did you hear that pop? Yeah. In the background of the classical music. And it's very, very common to have deformity of the nail bed. So you can see that it's damaged there, it's narrow because of the impingement of the toe itself. So what I'm going to do now is just clean it down a little bit. Just to remove all the dead skin on the top here.